Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite topics, WordPress. At Global Specs, we love WordPress. It's flexible, dynamic, and user-friendly, which is probably why it powers about 30% of the internet. It's also easily maintained, but sadly, website maintenance is often overlooked. WordPress is like the foundation of your home. If the foundation is left alone and not properly maintained, it will start to shift and crack, and the rest of your house will eventually come crumbling to the ground. You have to keep your foundation strong and in working order so that the rest of your house can function properly. The same is true with WordPress and your website, and for that reason, we offer website care plans. WordPress is constantly being updated by a large community of volunteers that include programmers and designers looking for ways to improve speed, efficiency, flexibility, and security. Things like feature enhancements or patching plugins to fill security holes. We stay on top of these developments so that you don't have to. We keep our websites hosted by a premium service mid-sized company. We make changes and updates as your needs change, and we have tools to regularly monitor all of our websites and report back on any issues found. This three-pronged approach ensures that you never have to worry about your website being out of date or not secure. WordPress is a fantastic platform, but like the foundation of your house, it needs to be maintained to function properly. Click the button below to learn more about how Global Specs can ensure the performance of your website with one of our website care plans.